Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about API or Web Service Testing UI of Catalan Studio. We will learn the quick access toolbar. We will learn about menus in the Catalan Studio. We will also learn about different perspectives, editors, test explorer, and the history wherein we can find the API history and the keyword explorer. I have shared Catalan Studio installation and setup tutorial in the description below. You can refer that tutorial and install and set up Catalan Studio in your machine. To create a new API project in Catalan Studio, we can click on New Project in Test Explorer, or we can click on File menu, New and Project. In this new project window, we will give name to the project and we will select API Web Services as we are going to test API projects. In the project, you can select blank or sample API test project. Catalan has provided sample API test project which you can select and open. So I will select the blank project, and this is the location where your project will be saved. This is the workspace location. You can change this location and click OK. The project is generated and we can see the folder structure of the project in the Text Explorer. I will close the Catalan help window. In Catalan API testing window, we will get this toolbar, and that is quick access toolbar, and we get these menus. So in the toolbar, this is save and save all to save the project, save all files in the project. This is Catalan test ops button to integrate Catalan Studio with test ops. This is Git to integrate Git with Catalan Studio. Smart XPath, which is available for the enterprise version, and the trial is available with the free version. Then next is the new draft REST request. After that is import Swagger from file URL. Then new draft SOAP request. Import WSDL from file URL. We will see these one by one in our coming tutorials. And next one is import Postman from file URL. So we can import the Postman test here and we can use those. This is the build CMD button to build the command line of the test suite or test suite collection. The next button is to run the request or run the test cases, execute the test cases. This button is to debug the test. This is to stop the test execution. This button is to export the project or upload the project to the cloud to the test ops. This is again profiles. We have learned about profiles in my earlier tutorial. I have shared the link for the profiles in the description below. Next is the keyword. This is the perspective. The view of the screen is called as keyword perspective. There is one more perspective, that is debug perspective. When we click on debug, it shows in the debug view and it is called as debug perspective. Then this is the forum or chat or feedback. Next is subscriptions of Catalan Studio. Then the notifications of the Catalan Studio. And then the user profile. This is called as Test Explorer, wherein your all folders and files of the project will be displayed. This is Keywords Browser. You will find the built-in custom keywords in this folder, and if you want to find it quickly, You can write which keyword you want and you get the keywords having that word. You can simply drag and drop these keywords and use them. We will see how to use them. In Test Explorer also we get the search option, or we can select what we want to see. Like in test cases, if we want to search for login test, then you can search for login test cases. If you want to search for a particular object in the object repository, you can search for it by selecting the object. Or if you want to search for a test suite, particular test suite with some name, you can select and you can enter the text to search for the test suite. And if you select all, it will show all the details. After that, we have a request history tab in Cathlon API testing window. Here you will find the history of all the requests that we have generated. We will learn about it after creating first API test in Cathlon Studio. Now let's learn about the menus which are used in the API testing of Cathlon Studio. In File menu, you can create new project, new folder, test case, test suite, test data, etc. New sample project provides you the sample project available with Cathlon Studio. Open project is to open the available projects or saved projects. Import Selenium IDE scripts to import the IDE scripts. Save and save all to save the project. Clean up is to clean up the temporary files from the project. Import settings is to import the project settings from another project. Import keywords is to import the existing keywords, custom keywords that we have created, or the existing custom keywords from particular folder or from Git or from earlier projects. Here it shows the history of recently opened projects or recently created projects. Quit is to quit from Cathlon Studio. In Actions menu, you will find API Web Services menu, wherein you can open the REST, open the SOAP, import Swagger, import WSDL request. In SPY, there is SPY Web and SPY Mobile menus, which are used to spy the web and mobile objects. In Record, you will find the Record Web and Record Mobile menus, which are used to record the web application test or the mobile application test. You can use API testing along with the web testing or mobile testing. That is the reason these menus are provided with this. In Edit, there is Undo and Redo. In Projects menu, you can click on Search and you can search for test case, test suite, or any of the test object. Refresh menu is to refresh the project. In Project Settings menu, you will find different settings of the project. We will see it once we start learning. In Project Information, you find the name of the project and the location where that project is stored. Plugins gives us the details of the plugins that we have downloaded and stored. In execution, you can select default execution browser. For now, since this is API testing, the default execution will happen on the web service. Then the default smart wait feature is enabled, and default wait for element timeout is 30 seconds. You can change these settings whatever way you want. In test design, in API web service method, you can add your own method. You can add the customized method. This feature of adding customized method is available with enterprise version of Cathlon Studio. You can change the settings in the project settings for the particular project, apply and click OK to the settings to apply the settings to that project. Close is to close the current open project. Close and clean up is to close and clean up the current open project. These are the debug menus to step into, step over, step out while debugging. Then giving the breakpoints in the test steps. In test ops menu, you will find the Catalan test ops for integration of Catalan Studio with the Catalan test ops. Then you can integrate the Catalan Studio with Jira or Qtest or TestRail. You can integrate continuous integration tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, Docker with Catalan Studio. Dependency management can be done using Gradle plugin. Then you can integrate with ChatOps, Slack ChatOps. In Windows menu, you can reset the perspective. If you do something with this perspective, like if I minimize this and if I go to Windows and reset the perspective, it will reset the perspective and will show the default perspective. Using the command palette, you can add the new test case, new test suite, new keyword. You can use these commands over here. You can use the different themes, light and dark, and Catalan Studio preferences. This is the default setting of Catalan Studio. You can change this setting. You can change the Git setting or test case settings, or you can change the run and debug settings or the general appearance settings. You can change from here. In tools, there are plugins, install plugins and uninstall plugins menu. Then you can update the WebDriver. You can terminate the running WebDrivers. Through the utilities menu, you can export or import the test artifacts. Test artifacts is nothing but the test cases, test data, object repository, test suites that you use in the project or create in the project. In help menu, you will find the about menu, which will give the information of Catalan Studio which you are currently using. Catalan help menu will provide you this help wherein you can go to the tutorials or help center. You can check the basic details about web UI testing, API testing, mobile testing, scripting over here. If you want to report any issue to the Catalan Studio, then you can report the issue. Clicking the error log, you will get the error logs. Clicking Quick Start will provide you the welcome page of the Catalan Studio. This encrypt text menu is to encrypt any text that you enter over here. This encrypted text you can copy and use it in your project. This is generally used for the password protection or some sensitive information protection. And this is check for updates menu, which will check for updates in the current Catalan Studio and will update the Catalan Studio. There are different editors in Catalan Studio, like if you open a test case, the test case editor will open. If you open the test suite editor will open. Object repository, if you open any object repository, then object repository editor will open. This was about the web service or web API testing UI of Catalan Studio. We have learned about the quick access toolbar, menu bar, the text explorer, different editors, different perspectives, keyword explorer, and request history in Catalan Studio UI for API testing. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Please do not forget to like and share. Thank you.